I love you, Lord.
Happy 50th birthday, my friend. Mahal namin kaibigan. It's your golden age, diba? Our beloved brother in Christ. Walang iba kundi si Brother Noy. Grabe talagang pinagsamahan natin. Sa tugtugan, kantahan, sayawan, kainan, kapihan, di ba? Red wine at tawanan. O kahit sa simpleng pagpapractice sa mga kakantahin sa church. Everything is very smooth pag tayong magkakasama. Kakawala ng stress, di ba? I'm so lucky to have you as a friend. For me, you are one of a kind. Kayo ni Sister Jingle. Mahirap makatagpo ng katulad ninyo. El Shaddai Gloucester Cell Group is lucky to have you. Kaya ang daming nagmamahal sa inyo. All those years, hindi ka talaga nagbago. Ikaw pa rin si Brother Noy. Brother Roy na kakilala namin. Wala na sigurong makakahigit sa lahat ng mga ginawa niyong mabubuti sa aming lahat, higit sa lahat sa church, El Shaddai Gloucester Cell Group. It is wonderful, it is amazing. Friendship like ours, lahat tayo. I wish you joy, healthy, and long life. I know in my heart, hindi ka magbabago. Yun ka na. Still going strong, and still going strong. Palakas ng palakas. Ano ba yung samahan natin, di ba? Yung ating friendship. Mahirap hanapin ang isang brother way, sa totoo lang. Nandiyan na, roll into one. Kaya, happy birthday sa'yo. Mahal naming kaibigan, kapatid sa pananampalataya. El Shaddai family loves you so much. Loves you very, very much. May two hearts pa, diba? Kaya ano pang masasabi namin? Sige, batiin ka na lang namin ang golden birthday. It's not too old. Half century pa lang yan. Kaya palakas ka. Mag-itera care ka. Nahaba pa yung buhay namin with the help of this device and healthy living. Yeah, happy birthday, 50th birthday from El Shaddai family. Lovingly yours, Amy.